Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
You're on.
Hi, my name is Jonah with Jeep Hunters. This is my 1962 CJ3B. It has the 4134 F-head engine in it. Currently, it doesn't have a distributor or a carburetor. This is a Solix carburetor, but I went ahead and got a YF carburetor rebuilt from the JeepsterMan, and it looks great, so we'll install that. We're going to install an NOS distributor in here, new plug wires, plugs. The belts are brand new. This is a brand new or completely rebuilt generator and starter, so those should be good. The engine has less than 20 miles on it. It is leaking back there in that back head bolt. Put the battery in. Hopefully everything will run correctly. The timing was off or something when I started to back up. It's been sitting for 6 years. This is a frame off restoration. I went up to North Carolina, picked this Jeep up, cleaned it all up, rebuilt the entire thing. It's all new. Except for the transmission and the transfer case. Those have not been rebuilt. I apparently put it back together faster than I thought. Not looking there. And it was gross, wasn't it? It wouldn't go in a second and third.
It's pretty nasty.
Yeah. So, you want to walk around? I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
So I took the transmission cover off the T90 here. And inside of it was just black, gooey mud. I cleaned that whole thing out. So now we got to get this set up for an epic rig. I need seats. I'm going to need some kind of racks or something for our camping. All the camping and tools and everything has to go in here, so I got to build that.
10 days worth of stuff in this thing.
Yeah, for 2 people. John and I are going to be in here driving 2,000 miles. We're going to go a bunch of courses, go off-roading and stuff.
Where are you starting?
Where
are you starting?
We're going to start at the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival in Butler, Pennsildale.
Ooh.
It's a huge 600-acre park. They got their other park a little ways away, the Killjoy.
I hope it's not Killjoy.
I hope it's not Killjoy too. I don't know. It's on their website. Go check out the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival website, and that's one of the trails that we're going to run, and that's where we're actually going to end, is at that site. So we're going to be taking off on Sunday morning, the 12th, I guess, or 11th, 9th through the 11th is the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival. June 9 through 11, 2023, Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival, Butler, PA.
Yay!
Okay. Where was I? Allison, what was I talking about?
You were talking about you're going on this epic journey.
Oh, the Jeep. I was talking about the Jeep.
You were also talking about the Jeep. That's what we're here for.
The Jeep. So, this is a Willys tailgate, as you can see, because that's a Willys. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, so this Jeep has been sitting since 2016. It was literally outside in the muck, the rain, outside the barn. It was
pretty bad. There was, 3 years worth of leaves and insects.
It was gross, so we all cleaned it up, got it all nice and cleaned out. We got it started. It started right up. Like, it was no problem to get started. I've had more problems with CJ5 than I've had starting this one. But I messed around and killed the distributor somehow. So we gotta put a new one in there. Yeah. And now it's, I don't know. I may need help, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I may need help to get this thing going. But I need to make it more epic. This is not epic enough. I want more rust. I want more. I'm gonna add wood. I think I'm gonna put a glass in here. I think that's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely gauges. I gotta hook up. This is new. It looks crusty. It's been sitting there for 5 years, 6 years. So I need to clean all the brake lines. We adjusted them. We bled them, and they seem clean. So we'll see what happens when we get started running around. But everything else, the oils and coolant, everything seems good. It's good. It's good. One problem I did have is this seam right here has a hole in it. So it was like, the plugs were full of water. I mean, it was pretty bad there for a second. We almost lost her. But yeah, I'm gonna get all that going. Get it the electric.
Do some GPR.
Yeah, some wrenching. Did you just say GPR?
Like CPR. Jeep ER.
GPR. I like that.
Get it?
I get it. It's good. It's good. So I don't know. But this is my 3B. How long is that? What's it say on there?
538.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the JeepsterMan, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today. Awesome. Actually, you know what? No high tech at all.